Hello, good morning to all. I am Vinod Kumar Sharma, English lecturer, Government Senior Secondary School, Chakchariwala. I am active member of EBC, that is English Booster Club Teachers. Today, I would like to share my views about Ebola, EBOLE. So, what is Ebola? Ebola, also known as EVD, Ebola virus disease, or EHF, Ebola hemorrhagic fever, is a viral hemorrhagic fever of human and other primates caused by Ebola virus. What is history of Ebola? This disease was first identified in 1976 in Yambuku village of Democratic Republic of Congo near Ebola River, from which this disease takes its name. EBD outbreaks occur intermittently in tropical regions of Africa. From 1976 to 2012, World Health Organization reports 24 outbreaks, which involve 2,387 cases and 1,590 deaths. Largest outbreak to date was epidemic in West Africa, which occurred from December 2013 to January 2016. It involves 28,646 cases and 11,323 deaths. So, is this disease contagious? How this virus spreads? One thing I clear you, this virus doesn't spread through air, food, water from distance. Ebola virus spreads only through direct contact with blood of infected person. Ebola virus spreads through direct contact with body fluid like saliva, sweat, breast milk, stool, semen, sweat of infected person. Ebola virus also spreads through direct contact with syringes and needles contaminated with the virus. Ebola virus also spreads through bite or sting of infected animal. Ebola virus also spreads through unsafe sexual contact with infected person. One thing is clear, people will become contagious when they develop symptoms of the disease. So what are the symptoms? This disease has some typical symptoms like severe headache, high fever, reddish eyes, skin rashes, intestinal diarrhea, internal bleeding, sore throat, muscle aches, joint aches, and difficulty in breathing. So what is treatment of the disease? Main goal of the treatment is to manage symptom of the disease. We can manage symptom of the disease by taking fluid to prevent dehydration, by regulating and replacing salt and chemicals in body, by maintaining blood pressure, by giving medicines to maintain water content in the body, by taking medicines to prevent diarrhea, by treating medicines to relieve fever, by taking medicines to relieve muscle pain, and by treating other infections. There are two currently treatments approved by US FAD, Food and Drug Administration of US. One drug is Imazec, INMAZEB, Imazec, approved by US FAD in October 2020. This drug is combination of 3 monoclonal antibodies. Second drug approved by US FAD in December 2020 is a single monoclonal antibody. These are two treatments. We can also prevent from disease. We say prevention is better than cure. So how can we prevent ourselves from this disease? We can prevent ourselves from this disease. We should not visit the places where this virus is present. That is Africa. Health workers who care for EBD patients should use PP kits. They should clean their hands frequently with soap and sanitizers. In this way, we can prevent ourselves from this disease. Thank you very much. Have a good day.